When you yawn, Islam teaches you two things you can say. Either say, A'udhu billahi minash shaitan irrajim. This means, I seek refuge with Allah from the accursed devil. Yawning is from shaitan, so say this to protect yourself. Or you can say, Astaghfirullah, I seek forgiveness from Allah. When you yawn, shaitan laughs, so we seek forgiveness. Also cover your mouth while yawning, as the Prophet, peace be upon him, recommended. If you found this reminder helpful, don't forget to like and share. Subscribe to our channel, Hadees, and follow us on Instagram. Jazakum Allahu khairan.